Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I think I've done a video kind of like this before, but I really have no clue why this works like this with the combine tool. We're going to take an ellipse. I'm going to hit P, don't have to, I just get. And then double click on the rotation and put it on that quadrant. Go to Windows, Dockers, and Transform. Yours might say transformation. We're going to rotate 15 degrees. We need 24, but we've already got one, so we're going to hit apply. We're going to select them all, and we're going to make them all blue. Now see, you can see the last one I put in. But with it selected, if you go up here to combine, look at that. Then take the outline away. And you have that you can go through the color spectrum and change the colors and get whatever color you want. I really don't know why that does that, but it is a pretty neat graphic and very easy to do. I don't know that you could use it if you could use the interactive fill tool. No, well, I had it on the black background. So I didn't get a yellow. Let's back up here. Let's go to interactive fill tool. Make sure we click on a yellow. Well, I must have yes, it does work. I don't know why that does that, but it saves you a lot of time if you're ever drawing that and try to fill in those spots. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.